TikTok, known as Douyin in its home market of China, was launched in September 2016. The app quickly gained traction in China, and parent company ByteDance launched an international version the following year in September 2017. As of November 2023, TikTok is one of the most popular social media apps in the world, with over 1 billion active users. It is available in over 150 countries and regions, and has offices in Beijing, Los Angeles, Moscow, India, South Korea, and Tokyo. TikTok achieved success in a short amount of time for a number of reasons, including short-form video content. TikTok launched with a limit of 15 seconds per video, which was much shorter than the videos that were popular on other social media platforms at the time. This made TikTok's content more accessible and easier to consume, and it also made it easier for users to create and share their own videos. Algorithm. TikTok's algorithm is very good at recommending content that users are likely to enjoy. This is because the algorithm takes into account a variety of factors, including the videos that users have watched and liked in the past, the videos that are trending on the platform, and the videos that are created by users who the user follows. User-generated content. TikTok encourages users to create and share their own videos. This makes the platform more authentic and engaging for users, and it also helps to create a sense of community. Marketing and advertising. TikTok has invested heavily in marketing and advertising to raise awareness of the app and attract new users. For example, TikTok has run TV commercials, social media ads, and influencer campaigns. Partnerships. TikTok has partnered with a number of influencers and brands to promote the app and its content. For example, TikTok has partnered with music labels to make popular songs available on the platform, and it has partnered with brands to create sponsored content. Here are some new features that TikTok is planning to launch in the near future. TikTok Shop app and app service store. This new app and service store will provide businesses with a one-stop shop for managing their TikTok Shop accounts, including product listings, orders, and customer support. Out of phone. TikTok is expanding its platform beyond the mobile screen with Out of Phone, a new way for users to experience TikTok content on TV, computers, and other devices. Improved creator tools. TikTok is constantly adding new tools and resources to help creators create and share more engaging content. Some of the latest updates include keyword insights, text-to-speech, and avatars. In addition to these specific features, TikTok is also working on a number of other initiatives to improve the user experience and make the platform more inclusive. For example, TikTok is investing in new AI and machine learning technologies to better understand and serve its users. TikTok is also working on making the platform more accessible to users with disabilities. Why TikTok is very challenging for YouTube and Facebook. Now, TikTok allows users to create long videos in landscape mode. In November 2022, TikTok announced that it was testing a new landscape mode with select users around the world. The new mode allowed users to create and watch videos in full-screen landscape mode, similar to how videos are watched on YouTube. TikTok is growing rapidly, especially among younger users. TikTok's global monthly active users, MAUs, reached 1 billion in 2021. YouTube and Facebook, on the other hand, are seeing a decline in growth among younger users. TikTok is engaging users for longer periods of time. TikTok users spend an average of 89 minutes per day on the app, while YouTube users spend an average of 56 minutes per day on the app, and Facebook users spend an average of 33 minutes per day on the app. TikTok's algorithm is very good at keeping users engaged, and the app's short-form videos are easy to consume on the go. TikTok is a major threat to advertising revenue. TikTok is quickly becoming a major advertising platform, and it is attracting advertising dollars away from YouTube and Facebook. TikTok's advertising revenue is expected to reach $11 billion this year, while YouTube's advertising revenue is expected to reach $28 billion, and Facebook's advertising revenue is expected to reach $118 billion. Overall, YouTube and Facebook are scared of TikTok because it is a rapidly growing and engaging platform that is attracting users and advertising dollars away from them. They are also concerned about TikTok's potential impact on social discourse and culture.